Good morning, guys. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is how I do it. I'm not a makeup artist, but we're just gonna do this anyways, so let's get into the video. For watching. If you enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment down below how long it takes you to do your makeup. I made a back to school playlist, and if you guys want to watch that, it'll be in the description box below. With all that being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!